y'all? Anson here over at Ivey Forge. Alright, so this video is a special video. It's actually an unboxing and a couple other things. Alright, so I got a package from Jeff over at Drason Forge. Alright, I said I'd do the unboxing video of this. He sent me is a plane that's going to be used for my sea chest project that I'm going to be working on, and I'm going to get this sharpened up, get it sent up, and he also sent me a special surprise. I don't know what it is, so we're going to go ahead and get this opened up and figure out what's going on. All right, and also in appreciation, I'm going to be sending over Jeff a hammer, and he's going to send that over to the family. All right, so it's from his friend Larry, that was in the military. He was a Navy guy just like myself. He was also a blacksmith, and before he had passed away, he gave Jeff this plane. And then now he's re-gifting it to me, since I am a Navy guy and I am also a blacksmith. And I think it's awesome. I appreciate it. I thank you so much. I came with a letter. It says, Greetings, Anson. Enclosed, please find 3 items. It says the largest is the wooden plane I received from my friend Larry Venata before his passing. Wrapped in brown paper is the badge for your smithing apron. I actually finished it the day I mentioned the plane. Awesome. So now I got a badge for my apron. That's cool. I also wrapped in newspaper and plastic bag is a small container of cherry smoked kosher salt. Be well and hammer on. Sincerely, Jeff at Drason's Forge. All right, awesome. Love it. So let's go ahead and check it out. Paper for lighting the forge. That's always an awesome thing. Alright, so this is the emblem. Oh, wow. Alright, so it's an anchor, and then it has my emblem, my touch mark on the inside of it. Wow, that is very nice. I love it. Thank you so much. Alright, so I'll hand that off to Gladys because she's my seamstress, and I'll have her get that put onto my apron. Alright, and then the small one is going to be that kosher salt. Let's get this opened up. There we go, cherry smoked kosher salt. Wow, that smells amazing. Can't wait to dip into that. Alright, and here we go. Had to save the best for last. Wow, look at that. It's a beautiful, beautiful block plane. That is very nice. I love this. And he did tell me that it's not very sharpened, and I can tell it's not very sharpened. So I'll definitely get this a little refurbished. I'm not going to touch the block. I think the block looks amazing. I may or may not touch up the bottom just to make sure that it's nice and true. But I'm going to take this frog and the blade out and make sure it gets nice and sharpened. And this is definitely going to get used during my project of my sea chest. Most definitely. This is beautiful. I love it. So just even with all the little splatters on the side, I'm going to leave that just as is. I'm not even going to touch that up. Has a nice little wedge in there. That wedge has seen a lot of use. That's fine. Perfectly awesome plane. I love it. Appreciate you, Jeff. All right. Definitely thank you to Larry's family. All right. Now, the project that I said I was going to do was a hammer project. All right. I was working with the very first piece of tool steel, trying to make a hammer. All right. And in doing so, I've never used tool steel before. I've only made a hammer with mild steel to this date. Okay. And when I was making this, I actually burned it. Okay. So I don't feel that this is going to be something that I would want to pass on. I'm still going to use this for my own personal use. Okay. Because it's just going to be one of those things that since the steel did burn and it started melting, right, you can see it on the bottom. I just don't feel that that's something that can be given out. All right. So actually what I'm going to do is my very first hammer. It's a mild steel hammer. This is actually more of a specialty type hammer that to be able to use for hitting tool steel. This isn't an everyday smithing hammer. Okay. This is a soft faced hammer. So it wouldn't be used for everyday smithing. Okay, but it is number one of the hammers that I've made. Okay, I do feel that this is really special to me, and I'm gonna send this to Larry's family, or I'm gonna send it to Jeff, and then he's gonna send it off. Okay, because that's just what I feel needs to happen right now. I do have my touch mark in it. Okay, and yeah, my very first hammer I'm going to be sending off, and just to show appreciation of this hand plane that's coming to me. It's coming to a great home, and it's definitely going to get use. All right, so appreciate it, Jeff. Thank you to Larry's family for just having this plane come into my life. And I hope you enjoy the hammer, whether it gets used or it does not. It becomes a wall hanger that I don't really care which one. Okay, so I just want to show my appreciation, and I'm going to send you all my very first hammer that I've ever made. All right, so once again, please check out my Instagram and Facebook over Ivey Forge. I do try to post some of my current projects, some of those things that I'm working on. All right. I'm not actually in the shop. Everyone knows that this is just a hobby of mine. I try to get out here as often as possible. So I do try to post some of those things. Right now, some of the videos that I'm doing is just here and there. Okay. I'm trying to build up a video supply. That way I can start posting videos a little more regularly. And I'm still doing my live shows every Sunday at 2 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All right? And appreciate you. Catch you on the next one. Bye.